Hello, this video will be the first of a three-part series covering considerations when designing applications to run in the cloud. This section will cover two considerations: scale out over scale up, and graceful fault handling. Scale out over scale up. One of the traditional methods of scaling to meet increased load in on-premises environments is to scale up. Simply add more CPU power, memory capacity, or storage capacity to the server. This is a common practice on premises with both single server and multi-server hosting solutions. In the cloud, server resources are more of a readily available commodity. In the cloud, a new server virtual machine can be provisioned when needed. For this reason, it is much easier to add more servers when capacity is needed. An additional benefit of scaling out is the increase in resiliency. If one server out of 10 goes down, it affects the overall performance of the application to a much lesser degree than if one server out of 2 goes down. Scaling out and spreading load across server instances has many benefits, including higher availability, higher resiliency against failure, as well as the ability to tweak server resources to optimize cost when comparing pricing tiers. Graceful fault handling. Every software system has failures. When distributing load across multiple server instances or integrating a distributed microservices architecture, an application needs to be coded to gracefully handle all errors when possible. These errors can even include transient failures, such as not being able to connect to a database or service, an isolated network outage on a single virtual machine, or any other sort of error that occurs at random times for a short period of time and then goes away. When a call to an external service fails, the application can be coded with retry logic to reinitiate making the service call one or more times before throwing an exception. Another possible implementation is to cache the user's request using some type of message queue so the user can continue with their work while the system handles the error and performs the request in the work in the background. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, take a look at the next video in the series covering do not write to the local file system and stateless design.